Wonder of nature. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skills. Let's look at some of the wonders of nature. Archerfish spit water at bark. The bark falls into the water, where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in the tunnel in the wall. In its home has a hidden door made of skewer and dirt. The spider hides in tunnel to hunt. Beaver till throw tree trunk. They make them out of tree, mud and stone. Chameleon change color to hide temperature. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon have scales on their side that open like wings. They jump and slither from tree to tree. Leaf insect. The body part of leaf insect look just like liver. The animal blend in well with the behavior on tree. Leaf rolling weavy. The former leaf rolling roll and a leaf into the corn. She lay her egg inside the corn. The leaf hide and protects her egg. Praying mantis. The praying mantis hole is found. Let in a praying position. A mantis have 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Molar dig tunnel to find and eat worm. The animal have tiny eyes, but they are not blind.